Hi, my name is Michael Banis,
Hi, my name is Drew Donnelly. In this video, we'll show you how a strobe light circuit works.
and how to build one yourself. This is the strobe light kit that we purchased online. We had constructed and soldered it by ourselves. The first part is the power supply, which is the outlet. This is 120 volts alternating current. Next is the horseshoe-shaped strobe light. This has xenon gas in there. Next we have the reflectors to direct where we want the light to go. Here is the trigger transformer, the rectifier, the indicator. The indicator is used to let us know if the circuit is bad or if we need to replace the strobe light. Next we have the capacitor. This is 1 microfarad. We have a resistor right here. Then we have the 270 degree multi-switch. This is used to control the rate of the discharge for the 1 microfarad capacitor. Next we have these two capacitors. These are photo flash capacitors. They each have 2.2 microfarads and is allowed to have up to 450 volts. The next part are the two capacitors. These are each 47 microfarads and hold up to 250 volts. Down here are diodes. These four parts create the voltage doubler. The final two parts is the 100 ohm resistor. This is to keep the power supply from destroying the tube. Finally, the last part is the fuse. The fuse is to protect the circuits from any short circuits. The first thing that goes when there is a short circuit is the fuse to protect from other parts.
Now I'll show you how a strobe light circuit works. First we have the flash tube. The flash tube is simply the strobe light. It's a U-shaped glass tube that's filled with xenon gas. When the xenon gas particles get ionized by a high voltage source, you see a bright white flash, and that's what the strobe light is. The strobe light requires a constant stream of a 300 volt power supply, which goes to charge its main storage capacitor, capacitor C3, shown right here. This 300 volt power supply is created in the voltage doubler. The voltage doubler consists of two diodes and two capacitors, which take the 120 volt AC current and convert it to 340 volt direct current, which then goes through another capacitor and another resistor. This 100 ohm resistor is extremely important because it keeps the strong power supply created by the voltage doubler from going back and forth, which could completely destroy the strobe light. Next we have capacitor C1, which gets charged through resistor R2. Once capacitor C1 fully builds up charge, it discharges through the trigger transformer. The trigger transformer creates a high voltage pulse that overcomes the resistance of xenon gas in the flash tube. This allows the ionization of gas particles. Once the ionization exists, capacitor C3 is allowed to discharge through the flash tube because that's the path of lowest resistance. And once this happens, you see a big white flash that is the strobe light itself. By the time the flash is seen, this process happens extremely quick, and the main storage capacitor, C3, and the trigger transformer are already fully charged again, and the process is ready to repeat itself. And that is how a strobe light circuit works.
There it is. Now time to put in the capacitor. There it goes. And now we're soldering the capacitor. And there's the soldering. Perfect, thank you so much. This is the strobe light in action.